Hello YouTube, Zohair here. How are you all? And today I'm out on my Yamaha Ray Z because the channel hasn't seen much of her, and I feel comfortable in riding the scooty out on such sunny days and when I have no other option and when there's too much of traffic. Anyways, so this is a new series I'm starting. It's okay, it's not a TV series or something, but I wanted to show you guys the different places in Hyderabad, the prominent places, the places you read about, because I realize I have lots of subscribers who are not from Hyderabad. And even if we are from Hyderabad, there are not many videos which, show you.
They see me rolling, they hating, patrolling.
It's quite a dangerous thing. Anyways, so this is the famous Hussain Sagar tank burn. There's the famous Buddha statue, and it's one of the very prominent places here in Hyderabad. I hope there's not much wind noise or even noise from my breath. So anyways, my point was to show everyone the different places of the city. Today I'm going to Raniganj, and later on I'll be going to Ramkoti. So Raniganj is the place where you go for buying anything related to basically any industrial equipment, like the bearings, washers, rubber parts. You get the hydraulic thingies, the basically all the industrial stuff. So it is quite useful because I keep doing stuff to my bike, and whenever I need some small items I just go there. So today I'm just going to grab a set of wheels for my paddock stand, which I was sitting at home, and I was just doing it myself. So, and then I have to go to Ramkoti to pick up a couple of paint cans and stuff. So Ramkot is basically again the bike market. It's like the Karol Bagh of Hyderabad. You get everything there, almost second-hand bikes, accessories, every single damn thing. It's pretty sunny today. Asshole. It's a very comfortable scooter. I really like the scooter. It's in for an upgrade. It's been 1 year and 10,000 kilometers. I'll be upgrading soon. And so this is basically our Hussain Sagar, and there are boat tours and all here, but you'll probably not enjoy it because the whole lake smells like shit due to the city dumping waste in it. I mean, it used to be a beautiful place. I remember when I was a kid, I was 4 or 5 years old, my mom used to get me down here. It used to be really nice, and the water level used to be quite high as well. Now it's receded. So this road leads, this is the Tangbund road, and then there's the lower Tangbund road parallel to it. And also if you keep going straight on this road, you get out to Sikandrabad. Paradise is a hotel famous for its biryani, but it apparently became so famous that it became a landmark. And recently the helmet rule is being enforced in our city. It's like Hyderabad is the only thug life city which I came across. Like in all the other places I've seen, like in Bangalore, Mumbai, everywhere the helmet rule is so strict. In Bangalore it's even compulsory for the pillions, but here in Hyderabad they've tried enforcing it like 10 times, but still nobody seems to care. It's just there for a few days, and then it just fades away. The whole thing just fades away. I think the helmet manufacturers end up making quite a lot of money from the whole ordeal. I'm naming this series Berozgari because Berozgari literally translates to joblessness in Hyderabadi in Urdu. And this is kind of joblessness because I was just sitting at home getting bored. I thought I'll go get some stuff from Raniganj and all, and while I'm at it, I've been to this place like 1,000 times. I thought this time let me just carry my helmet, the empty helmet with the camera mount and the camera and everything, so that I can capture a good video for you guys. And people just seem to be tripping on me because technically I'm wearing this helmet on the scooter. I look crazy. The traffic is gonna be killer, and the traffic is so haphazard. Okay. Wow, look at that. We are approaching Raniganj. You see that railway bridge over there. If we take the right after that we basically enter the main market. This is actually Raniganj technically, but you know, it's a huge place. The place we are going to, we will be getting a pair of wheels. All right, guys, so we are entering the main area of Raniganj, the main section. Like, okay, so this is the place you get all your industrial equipment, the bearings, you know, even if you need those Allen key sets and the T wrenches, the torque wrenches, everything you can get here. I mean, what the hell is this guy trying to do? I mean, there's no way on earth this car is gonna turn. Anyways, all right, quite a clever move. So I just have to look for a wheel vendor. There's a rubber thingy, you know. The sad thing about the market is nobody seems to know the names. Like, you know, you'll have to get a sample and show it to them, and they'll give you an exact copy of that. They probably don't even know what a torque wrench means. You know, it probably has some other desi name which we are not aware of. So you'll have to be really careful. I saw a wheel merchant somewhere, so I haven't come here for wheels before. So let me just inquire from somebody. Alright, tubes, this, that, blah blah blah. भाई इधर व्हील्स की दुकान है क्या कहीं? व्हील्स अच्छा इधर पूरे व्हीलों के है. All right, so we are in the wheel area. अस्सलाम वालेकुम. ओ छोटे व्हील्स चाहिए थे स्टैंड पे लगाने के लिए, बिना होल्डर के. नहीं, इससे थोड़े बड़े, इससे थोड़े छोटे. ठीक है, ये दे दीजिए, 2 दे दीजिए. कितना दोगा? शुक्रिया भाई. So I got the wheels and I'm gonna go to Ramkoti now. We're basically entering Ramkot now. We had to take the same way from Raniganj, the same way back, the same way we went, like from Tangband and all. The road is pretty badly effed up here. That's the reason I didn't. It's like this and worse than this for many parts. The government loves digging up the roads, you know, in search of some treasure or what, I don't know. Apparently to lay new pipelines every few days. Anyways, so this is the place where you come to if you want to buy second-hand bikes, or you know, get any radium work done, wrap done on your car or bike, get any number plates, custom number plates, or you want to buy tires for your car or bike. In this video I'll be showing you my guy who I've been buying parts from since like 3-4 years now, since I had my 250. He sells HID kits and, you know, custom exhausts, all that stuff. But pretty decent stuff though. It's not original Akrapovic or Race Fit or shit like that, but it gets the job done. You'll probably find something really amusing here because, and yeah, again, one more rule: what happens in Ramkot stays in Ramkot, because, you know, not many people know about the fancy stuff you get here, especially the super bikers, because they're too lazy to, you know, go out and do some market research and stuff like that. So anyways, so we are entering the main road kind of place where, you know, all the second-hand bike stalls are. And yeah, again, you get all the original parts as well for Hero Honda and, you know, Bajaj, Royal Enfield, all the Indian made bikes, even for KTM, for a cheaper rate here, lesser than the MRP. Wow, that's a Hilux, dude. Insane. So you can spot insane stuff here, insane customized bikes, insane, you know, anything. You see, all these bikes are for sale, dude. Like, seriously, so many of them. And we're just starting to get into it, you know. This lane which goes to the right. Okay. Oh, I will first go pick up the stuff I need from Aman Bhai, Shaw Auto Parts. Is his shop. I'm his regular customer, and I guess I need to pick up some paint for the stand and for some personal use as well. So I'll be just picking that up from him. You see all this, all these bikes. You can find insanely customized RX 100s, 135s, and RD 350s here as well. And yeah, if all this doesn't interest you, of course, you want something more, you know, insane, like you want a super bike. There is a place for that as well here. Doggy. Alright, so we are entering. No, actually, we are in Ramkoti. Come on, dude. But yeah, these are the shops here for customers. There are many lanes are like this, so you know, it's pretty vast. But I'm going to be taking you to my friend's shop. Okay, we have his. I think everyone's just gonna be looking at me like, what the fuck is this guy wearing on his helmet? सेठ आदाब 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 मजे में सेठ पेंट कैन ब्लैक पेंट कैन ओके अच्छा 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 ठीक है so you have lots of stuff here. You get these exhausts, you want stuff for your Royal Enfield, you want headlights, gloves, the hand grips, and if you're lucky you can find anything here. So different kinds of horns. So I got my paint can, and this is the shop here. This is Aman Bhai, the owner of the shop. Please come see him. And this is the place I keep meeting lots of my subscribers in Hyderabad. So pretty sure most of you know this place. You want anything, just come to Ramkot, guys. You'll get everything. Anyways, चलिए सेट, मैं निकलता हूँ. घर दूर है, निकलना है. आता हूँ फिर सुकून से. And I'll show you my tire vendor as well. You have everything here, like, you know. This is the place I get my tires from. Bhai Adab. So this is Kamal Tires, the place I buy my tires from. Michelin, Pirelli, तीनों भी मिल जाएंगे. ठीक है, आता हूँ फिर. चलो आता हूँ सुकून. So Ramkot is the place you come to, you know, literally get stuff done. It's like when it comes to owning a super bike, there are lots of people trying to cheat you here in India, because someone who's spending lakhs of rupees on a bike doesn't really mind spending the extra amount unnecessarily. So something you get in an AC showroom somewhere in, say, Banjara Hills, Jubilee Hills, that kind of an area, you'll get the same stuff here probably for lesser than half the price, but you probably will have to come all the way and, you know, scourge the market a little bit, and then of course be a little, you'll have to be street smart so that you don't get cheated and, you know, you don't get a duplicate product. So alright, so let me show you the place where you can get some good bike wraps and, you know, number plates done. This is the place. Khurshid is not here. Okay, anyways. So the seat covers. Example, you want any good seat covers done on your bike, this is the place. Santosh. Okay, so I'm making a video for my channel, okay? So I'm just mentioning all the places I get my stuff from for my subscribers to know. So I'll be taking a video of your shop as well. You'll have to answer some questions, okay? So this is the place you should come to if you want to get your seat covers done. Most of the Enfield people come here. You know, I got a gel pad on my scooty and little bit of custom designing done on my seat cover as well. This guy, so hi, this is Mr. Santosh, owner of the shop, and he can even get you a customized printed seat cover. You give him a photo, we can get that printed, right, like we did on my friend's Harley Davidson. All right, so I'll see you. I'm just taking my subscribers around the tour of Ramkot and Raniganj. That's all. चलिए आता हूँ फिर. थोड़ा पीछे ले लीजिए बस. अरे अरे अरे. So that's it for my short tour of Raniganj and Ramkot for you guys, and I have lot more areas planned up. Okay, so I have Old City, the whole of Old City, Charminar, everything, but I'll be doing that in Ramadan, because as you all know, Ramzan is like the food festival for everyone. For us it's a month of praying. You got such bullshit riders here. Anyways, so for us it's the month of praying and fasting, everything, but for everyone else it's just food festival, and I don't blame you guys because of the tasty halim and all the sweets you get at that time of the month, that time of the year, the whole month. So that time Old City will be completely decorated like a bride. So that's when I want to be showing you guys what Old City, Barkas and all those areas are like, and I have lots of areas planned in mind. This is just the episode 1. Do leave your feedback and all. एंड हाँ, अपना बोले थे थोड़े जने के मैं ज़रा वीडियो हैदराबादी में करूँ और वीडियोस हैदराबादी में करूँ, बट प्रॉब्लम क्या है थी मालूम, ज़रा हमारे पास थोड़े दूसरे शहरों के जने हैं, थोड़े जने ऐसे हैं जिनको उतनी अच्छी हिंदी नहीं आती, और क्या है ज़रा हैदराबादी हिंदी बोल तो थोड़ा हट के रहती, तो इसलिए अपने क्या है ज़रा पूरों को कंसिड्रेशन में रखना पड़ता है, ज़्यादातर इंग्लिश में करना रहता, बीच बीच में थोड़े हैदराबादी लाइन्स डाल दे सकते हैं, पूरे वीडियो को सबटाइटल्स डालते बैठना बोल तो भी एक अजाब रहता है, यू नो, दैट्स वाई. So anyways, see you guys. Do drop your comments in the comment section, any feedback if you have. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I will post the addresses and names of the people in the description below. So basically, you want anything to get anything done to your bike, just come visit Ramkot. And no, Ramkot is not paying me for making this video, so I just want to share information with you guys like I always do. Anyways, see you guys. Take care.